God saw the world was filled with wickedness. He was sad. He decided to start over. God chose Noah, a good man, to help. God spoke to Noah, build an ark. God said, make it big, use gopher wood, cover it with tar. Noah listened to God. He trusted God. He started building the ark. It was hard work. People laughed at Noah. They didn't believe him. The ark was huge. It was longer than a football field. It was taller than a house. Noah worked hard. He cut down trees. He sawed planks. He hammered and built. The ark had many rooms. It had a door on the side. It had windows for air. Noah built it, just like God said. He coated the ark with tar inside and out. This made the ark waterproof. God told Noah to bring animals, 2 of every kind, God said, male and female. Noah gathered the animals, lions and lambs, elephants and emus, snakes and snails. They all came to the ark. 2 by 2, they walked up the ramp. They went into the ark. Noah's family went inside too. God closed the door. It was time. Section 4, 40 days and 40 nights, the deluge and its aftermath. The rain started, it rained and rained. The rain lasted for 40 days and 40 nights. The whole world was flooded. The ark floated on the water. After many months, the rain stopped. The water started to go down. The ark landed on a mountain. Noah sent out a dove. It came back with an olive branch. Finally, the earth was dry. God told Noah to leave the ark. Section 5. A promise in the sky. God's covenant with Noah. Noah was thankful. He built an altar. He thanked God for saving him and his family. God made a promise to Noah. Never again will I flood the earth, God said. This is my promise. God put a rainbow in the sky. It was a sign of his promise. Every time we see a rainbow, we remember God's promise. We remember Noah and the ark. We remember God's love.